What's happening?
These guys are all just trying to beat me.
Oh, man. All right.
Help, Teal. They're gonna kill me.
I'm coming. I'm going as fast as I can. I'm telling you right now, the pedal is to the floor. You can hear it. You were here. What the?
Whoa, was that you?
It was. Wait, I'm here.
Help!
Oh, no.
Hey!
That's not what I wanted to
die.
do. Yeah, no. That's not how it rolls around here.
Alright. Well, now what do we do?
Well,
I say we go inside and just wait for this to blow over.
yeah,
What is this guy doing?
that's a good question.
Let's just hide out here until the cops take off, and then we can start our daily job.
Okay. Alright, I think that worked.
Okay. Wait till you meet the Intimidator, Teal.
The Intimidator? I'm already intimidated.
I think you're gonna like it. Let me know if you can hear it starting in the garage. It's pretty loud.
That's how we blow the tires out.
Alright, first stop. Whoop. Alright. I know this guy. I've been robbing him for years.
I've taken the photo.
Alright. If you want to just go ahead and open the register.
Oh no, how many times in...
Come on, you know how this works. Reach back there.
That's every last cent, I swear.
Alright.
Alright, I'll be back later. Alright, we gotta go. Oh, see? I think he called the cops when he first saw us. They're not usually this fast.
That's not great.
I can lose them, it's fine.
I have to break your window, I apologize.
Whoa, 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 whoa! You said break the window, not cause the car to go crazy.
I didn't cause the car to go crazy, I don't think. Maybe
well,
I did?
You said that, and then the car started to go wild.
Oh, that's my bad.
We got this.
Oh. How's it going?
Don't shoot back. We don't need any more heat. I can lose them.
Alright. There you go.
I think we lost them.
How do you guys like the bird?
Alright, we dodged the cops. Let's get back on the road. And we're actually kind of down the street from the next convenience store that we gotta visit. Okay?
Hey,
Here
we're
we go.
got. Oh.
We're alright. This'll do. What's wrong? You don't like my park job? Get out of here.
I just. Oh, we're talking to me.
What the hell's wrong with you? Go. Can you get things started in there? I gotta deal with this. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Yeah, I'll greet this guy and steal all of his things.
Alright, these guys are done. I trust that you've got it handled. I'll get the car warm.
Oh yeah, I got it. He's taking his sweet time now. Even though I'm breaking all of his stock. Yeah, give it to me.
Alright, let's go. What'd you make out with there, Teal? What do you got?
Some Eggo chasers and a lot of money.
Nice. Give me one of those Eggo chasers.
Here, take one.
Whoa! Alright.
I don't know, I want to get out of the vehicle.
Do you know how to fly one of these?
Yes. Oh,
Cargo Bob.
I guess you're flying.
Oh, am I flying it?
Yeah. You want me to do it or you want to do it?
Yeah, you should fly.
Okay, here we go. So I neglected to tell you.
What do you got?
I don't have my pilot's license.
Oh, it's okay. I don't mind. Flying over Vinewood.
That
Oh.
we are. There's a random dog in the helicopter.
There's a dog in the helicopter. Alright, coming in.
I have no idea how well. Actually, we'll do the maze bank. Why not?
Okay. Somebody shooting at us?
Oh boy.
Okay. Made it.
That wasn't half bad.
Who are these airplanes flying around?
You know? No!